Hi everyone, this is Paul Gazak, Dean of Academic Engagement, and I'm going to show you our new searchable EbL activity archive and how to use it. So first, go to our EbL at RMU website, then go ahead and go to Activities and Courses. Here's where you can submit more activities. But if you scroll down, you'll now see the updated EbL Certified Activity Archive. And this new way of doing the archive, one of the key features of it is allowing you to be able to search specifically for experiences that you need that fit your courses, your campus, etc. So here's how you use it. It's right there. Go ahead and click this pop-out icon. This brings it into a full screen mode. And from here, once it all loads, there's a lot of data in here. Once it loads, you're able to view all the different content here, but if you want to search it, what you're going to do is download the file, and that'll download as a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You go ahead and open up that spreadsheet, and now from this you'll see that each one of our columns has one of these little drop-down boxes, and those allow you to search based on what you're looking for. So let's imagine that I'm going to be teaching Com 101 next quarter. I'm going to go ahead and select Com 101, and that brings up all the different Com 101 activities that are in the archive. And let's say I want to apply another filter to it to look even more. Let's say I want something that is a level 2 experience, and I want something that can be done as individuals. I can keep filtering this down until I get specifically the types of activities that I'm looking for. This will be particularly helpful for what courses you're teaching, what campuses you're teaching at, or if you're looking for experiences that have cultural engagement, but you can apply as many filters as you want to find specifically what you need. And this Excel spreadsheet will be updated as more activities are added to the archive. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me.